Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your employer expense card online, follow these step-by-step instructions to start using your card for business expenses. Step 1. Locate the activation instructions provided by your employer or the card issuer. These typically include a website URL and your unique card details. Step 2. Visit the official website of the expense card provider using the URL provided. Ensure you're on a secure, legitimate website by checking for HTTPS in the address. Step 3. Look for the Activate Card or Register button on the homepage and click it to begin the activation process. Step 4. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code, CVV, when prompted. This information is found on the front and back of your card. Step 5. Create your online account by choosing a username and a secure password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Step 6. Provide additional personal information for verification purposes, such as your employee ID, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Step 7. Review and accept the terms and conditions of the expense card program. Pay attention to spending limits, allowed expense categories, and reporting requirements. Step 8. Complete the activation process and wait for confirmation. You should receive an on-screen confirmation and possibly an email. Your card is now ready to use for approved business expenses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.